Want to create YouTube videos without showing your face and make passive income? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Pictory AI to create professional videos in just minutes. No video editing skills are required. Plus, I'll share powerful ways to make money with Pictory AI. This includes YouTube automation, freelancing, and selling AI-generated content. Let's get started. Pictory AI is more than just a video editor. It's a tool that can help you generate passive income in multiple ways. One of the best ways to use Pictory AI is by creating faceless YouTube channels. Many content creators run automated YouTube channels using AI-generated videos. With YouTube ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, faceless YouTube channels can generate between $1,000 and $10,000 per month. Here's how you can do it. First, choose a profitable niche like finance, motivation, technology, or health. These niches have high ad revenue and consistent demand. Then, use Pictory AI to generate high-quality videos automatically. You don't need to show your face, hire a video editor, or even use your own voice. Once your channel starts getting views, you can monetize with YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The key to success is consistency. Upload videos regularly and optimize your titles and descriptions. This will help you grow your channel into a long-term passive income source. But YouTube is just one way to make money with Pictory AI. Another profitable way to use this tool is by selling AI-generated videos as a freelance service. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and influencers need video content every day. Most don't have the time or skills to create high-quality videos themselves. With Pictory AI, you can offer video creation services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Clients are willing to pay between $50 and $500 per video. Since Pictory AI automates most of the work, you can scale your income fast. Imagine selling just 5 AI-generated videos per week at $200 each. That's an easy $1,000 per week or $4,000 per month. And you don't have to stop there. Another great way to make money is by repurposing content for social media. With Pictory AI, you can turn one script into multiple types of content. You can create long-form videos for YouTube. You can extract short clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You can package branded content for businesses that need daily posts. Many social media managers charge premium prices for this type of content. By offering AI-generated content packages, you can build a steady stream of income. Now that you know how Pictory AI can make you money, let's walk through the step-by-step process of creating your first AI-generated video. Now, let's go step by step and see exactly how to create videos using Pictory AI. Let's start by logging in and setting up our first project. First, go to pictory.ai and log into your account. Once you're inside, you will see the main dashboard, which gives you several video creation options. Take a moment to explore the interface. We will be using the text-to-video feature, which allows us to convert written content into a full AI-generated video. Click on text-to-video to start a new project. Once you click, a text box will appear where we will enter the video script. Make sure your script is well structured, as Pictory AI will split it into different scenes based on sentence breaks. After pasting the script, review it to ensure that each section flows smoothly. Now, click Proceed to continue. Pictory AI will now show you a list of video templates. These templates control the text style, animations, and overall appearance of your video. Take a moment to browse through the available options. Choose a template that fits the style of your content, whether it is modern, cinematic, or minimalistic. Once you have selected a template, click Apply to move to the next step. Editing the AI-generated video now. Pictory AI has automatically generated a full video based on our script. Each sentence has been matched with relevant stock footage. On the left, you will see the storyboard, which allows you to adjust each scene. Click on any scene to preview the video clip assigned by Pictory AI. If you want to change a clip, simply click on the video preview and select Change Visual. Here, you can choose from Pictory AI's built-in stock footage library or upload your own video clips. If the footage does not match your script, replace it with something more relevant. Take your time to adjust each scene until you are happy with the visuals. Once the clips are set, we will move on to voiceovers. Now, let's add a voiceover to the video. Click on Audio from the left side menu and then select AI Voiceover. Pictory AI offers a range of AI-generated voices in different accents, tones, and styles. Browse through the available options and select a voice that sounds natural and engaging. If needed, adjust the speed and pitch of the voice to match your style. Once selected, click Apply Voiceover to Video and Pictory AI will automatically sync the narration with the video scenes. Preview the video to make sure the timing feels natural. If necessary, adjust the voiceover pacing or reposition the text to ensure everything flows smoothly. Adding text overlays and branding. If you want to customize your video further, you can add text overlays, captions, and branding elements. To add subtitles, click Captions and select Auto-Generate Subtitles. This is a great feature for increasing engagement, as many people watch videos without sound. You can also add logos, watermarks, or your website URL to personalize your content. Experiment with different text placements and colors to match your brand. Once you are satisfied, we are ready to finalize the video. Downloading and exporting the final video. Now that our video is complete, let's generate the final version. Click Generate Video, then select 1080p Full HD for the best quality. Pictory AI will take a few minutes to process your video, depending on the length. Once it is ready, click Download to save your MP4 file. Your AI-generated video is now ready to be uploaded to YouTube, social media, or sent to clients. Now that you know how to create videos using Pictory AI, let's talk about how to turn this into a full-time income stream. Pictory AI is not just a video editing tool. It's a business opportunity that allows you to generate passive income while working less. There are multiple ways you can start making money with Pictory AI today, even if you have no prior experience. Let's go over the best strategies to turn this into a profitable income stream. One of the easiest and most profitable ways to use Pictory AI is by creating faceless YouTube channels. Thousands of people are using AI-generated content to run fully automated YouTube channels and making between $1,000 and $10,000 per month, sometimes even more. Here's how you can do it. First, choose a profitable niche like finance, tech, motivation, self-improvement, or health. These niches have high ad revenue and consistent demand. Then, use Pictory AI to generate high-quality videos automatically. You don't need to show your face, hire a video editor, or even use your own voice. Once your channel starts gaining views, you can monetize with YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The key to success: consistency. Upload videos regularly, optimize your titles and descriptions, and your channel can become a long-term passive income machine. But YouTube is just one way to make money with Pictory AI. Another lucrative method is selling AI-generated videos as a freelance service. Businesses, entrepreneurs, and influencers need video content every day, but they don't always have time or the skills to create it themselves. With Pictory AI, you can offer high-quality video creation services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Clients are willing to pay between $50 and $500 per video, depending on the content type and length. And since Pictory AI automates most of the work, you can scale your income fast by delivering multiple videos every day. Imagine selling just 5 AI-generated videos per week at $200 each. That's an easy $1,000 per week or $4,000 per month, without spending hours editing. And you don't have to stop there. Pictory AI is also perfect for repurposing content and selling social media video packages. With just a single script, you can create long-form YouTube videos, short clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts branded content for businesses that need daily posts. Many social media managers charge premium prices for this type of content. You can package multiple videos together and sell them as a subscription-based service to influencers and brands. The best part? Pictory AI does most of the work for you. If you're looking for an even easier way to make passive income, you can sign up for the Pictory AI affiliate program. This is one of the most effortless ways to earn money online. All you have to do is sign up for the Pictory AI affiliate program. Share your unique referral link in video descriptions, blog posts, or social media. Earn commissions every time someone signs up. If you're already using Pictory AI to create content, why not get paid to promote it too? You can earn commissions passively just by mentioning it in your videos or social media posts. Some affiliates are making hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month, just by sharing their link. So, if you want to start making money with AI today, now is the time to take action. Click the link in the description to try Pictory AI for free and start creating videos in minutes. And if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more AI-powered business ideas. Drop a comment below and let me know, how will you use Pictory AI to make money? I'll see you in the next video.